Look at these enchanting purple blossoms.
Purple is the color of creativity and magic.
Let's immerse ourselves in the world of this mesmerizing hue.
These animals are like bursts of sunlight.
Orange gives them a lively and vibrant touch.
It's amazing how orange adds a splash of liveliness.
The lavender fields are like a dream come true.
Purple evokes a sense of calm and relaxation.
It's like walking through a field of magic.
Purple, purple, a world, so grand in flowers and dreams we understand. Creativity and magic, a wondrous embrace. Purple brings wonder to every place.
Today, we've had a wonderful time exploring the world of purple.
It's a color that sparks our creativity and imagination.
Can't wait to continue this colorful journey.